The US dollar continued to extend gains on Friday as it crossed 208 rupees during early morning trade in the InterBank market, a trend analysts attribute to a delay in the deal with International Monetary Fund and rapidly depleting foreign exchange reserves. According to the Forex Association of Pakistan, the greenback appreciated by 80 paisa from yesterday's close of 207.75 rupees and rose to 208.6 rupees. It had appreciated by 1.45 rupees on Thursday. Traders said the rupee has been losing ground due to the balance of payment crisis and falling foreign exchange reserves. But the International Monetary Fund's remarks on the measures announced in the budget added new pressure on the domestic currency. The analyst said, uncertainty in the market has begun since then. He further identified quarter-end import payment pressure as another key factor behind this decline. Experts predicted that the local currency will stay volatile during the last month of the outgoing fiscal year 2021 to 2022.